Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make this savory dish called Haree Kabob. So let's get started. For this recipe we're going to need 1 kilogram of sliced beef, a cup of fried onion, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and about 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. For the flavoring, we're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and if you have the mixture of coriander and cumin powder, you can simply just use a tablespoon of that, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of mace, also known as Joy 3, that you can find in any international aisle of your grocery store, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt and pepper according to taste. Before cooking, my mom suggests grinding up the meat with a mortar and pestle so that each individual slice is as thin as it can possibly be. This helps all the spices to infuse into the meat when we're cooking to give it a richer flavor profile. When we're done, the meat should look something like this. With the heat turned off, combine all ingredients in a large brazier pan. Mix everything together thoroughly using a spoon or your hand like my mom does. After you have mixed everything, turn on your heat to medium-low. Add about 1/2 cup of water. Cover the pan with the lid and let it simmer. After 10 minutes, you'll notice the color of the meat has changed to a light golden color. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Check on the meat again. If the water has disappeared and the oil has risen to the top, your cooking is done. For a finishing touch, sprinkle some fried onion to add a nice crunch to the tender meat. Simmer on very low heat for another 10 to 15 minutes more. And there you have it, a Bengali staple dish that can be eaten by itself or paired with naan or rice as a side dish. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to help support my mom's aspiring career to be a YouTube star.